This video will show you how to update the officers on your RSO page. First, when you're at Map Central, you'll want to navigate to the group that you're working with. We're going to go work with the Maverick Involvement Team for this example. And oftentimes you'll pop up on the group page that you can see. You want to make sure that you are in manage mode. So there's a button right here that will get you behind the scenes to your dashboard. Now intuitively, you might go straight to members. And you can see a little bit of information about your officers. If you up here, we're currently sent to current members, we can change that to officers to see who our officers are. And a quick scroll down, you can see, oh, everybody here really is an officer. They should be on this page. If you found someone that shouldn't be, you can always uncheck this box on the right-hand side and give them officer powers. Now, you can't see a lot of information on this page because we're on the member page. So we're going to go back up here to dashboard, and either on the left-hand menu or in the tiles, we're going to click on officers. Those tiles rearrange, so it might not be up at the top for you. And here we can see a lot more information. The first thing I want to point out is this top position for each person. We want to make sure that we have a president, a vice president, a treasurer, and an RSO advisor. These are the people who are going to get the newsletters from our office and be kept in the loop on important information. You can also have some other presets that are here, and you can absolutely use those. The second thing is that we have these custom positions that you can build at your level for your RSO specific. It's as easy as creating a new custom position right here and then putting the person in that role. You can see that we also have, there's an RSO advisor here, we have an RSO advisor here, so you can have more than one person in each role. Now, this is how we use ours. So president is required and leadership coordinator is our internal word for what MEBA is responsible for. Same thing, vice president, RSO coordinator. Now you also can see we have a couple people that are not in a position up here because they are on our page so that they can manage a specific form and something that we're collaborating on. And so you'll also see that they do not show visibly on our public website so that others don't get confused and contact Sarah asking questions. The other thing I wanted to show you is that if you scroll all the way back up to the top and over here, there's permissions button. If you want to give access to some people, but maybe you don't want them to have the entire control of your site, you can drill down, and depending on all of these different options, you can limit what they have access to. So like Sarah is really only in here because they're going to manage some surveys and forms for us, and they might have to do a little bit of events. So that's all that really needs to be checked for Sarah, where you'll see that the other ones who are on our leadership team, they have access to everything on the site. We're not limiting that at all. The other button I want to draw your attention to is the Add Officer button. If someone is missing, you can go in here and just type the person's name, and then you can choose the person that you want to add. If you want to send that person an email, you can notify them and they'll get an email, and then just click Add, and it's as simple as that.